Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse cursor disappearing in Google Chrome. So first things first, let's open up Google Chrome, press the three little dots in the top right hand corner and come down to settings. Now within the settings you want to search out for hardware, and then you want this use hardware acceleration when available. And what you want to do is you want to toggle this off. And what this does is help Chrome work more smoothly. So once you toggle it off, you want to relaunch Chrome and maybe even your computer. Even though this helps make Chrome smoother, it can hide the cursor when things get a little bit too much. So that should fix the mouse cursor disappearing once you've restarted and relaunched Chrome. So that's how to fix the mouse cursor disappearing in Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.